Welcome to Psalms and Tides, a quiet place where the words of Scripture meet the gentle sound of the sea. In this episode, we listen to Psalm 17, a prayer for protection, refuge, and the watchful care of God. David begins by asking the Lord to hear his prayer and look upon his heart. He brings his cause before God with honesty, seeking not only deliverance, but also the comfort of being seen and kept by the Lord. At the heart of this psalm is a beautiful plea: keep me as the apple of the eye. Hide me under the shadow of thy wings. These are words of deep trust, asking God to guard the soul with tenderness and strength. As the waves move softly beneath the reeding, allow your heart to rest beneath the shadow of his wings. Bring him your concerns, your need for protection, and your longing for peace. And listen for the quiet hope near the close of the song. I shall be satisfied when I awake with thy likeness. This is Psalm 17 from the King James Version. God bless. Psalm number 17. Hear the right, O Lord, attend unto my cry. Give ear unto my prayer, that goeth not out of feigned lips. Let my sentence come forth from thy presence. Let thine eyes behold the things that are equal. Thou hast proved mine heart, thou hast visited me in the night. Thou hast tried me, and shalt find nothing. I am purposed that my mouth shall not transgress. Concerning the works of men, by the word of thy lips I have kept me from the paths of the destroyer. Hold up my goings in thy paths, that my footsteps slip not. I have called upon thee, for thou wilt hear me, O God. Incline thine ear unto me, and hear my speech. Show thy marvellous loving kindness, O thou that savest by thy right hand them which put their trust in thee, from those that rise up against them. Keep me as the apple of the eye. Hide me under the shadow of thy wings. From the wicked that oppress me, from the deadly enemies who compass me about. They are enclosed in their own fat, with their mouth they speak proudly. They have now compassed us in our steps, they have set their eyes bowing down to the earth. Like as a lion that is greedy of his prey, and as it were a young lion lurking in secret places. Arise, O Lord, disappoint him, cast him down. Deliver my soul from the wicked, which is thy sword. From men which are thy hand, O Lord, from men of the world which have their portion in this life, and whose belly thou fillest with thy hid treasure. They are full of children, and leave the rest of their substance to their babes. As for me, I will behold thy face in righteousness. I shall be satisfied when I awake with thy likeness. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me in tonight's psalm. I hope these words of Scripture, together with the gentle sound of the waves, have brought you peace, comfort, and a deeper sense of God's nearness as you rest. Psalms and Tides continues with a new psalm every day, Monday through Friday, here in the Sleepy Psalms podcast. Until next time, may the Lord bless you, keep you, and give you quiet rest in His Word.